bugs, Trebek. I'll get you this time. Oh, hey. What's up? You just caught me playing my brand new gaming system. Jeopardy. Brand new. You know, I guess it's about time that I started making more videos. Let's do it. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today we're going to be doing some Halloween decorations where we're going to paint some outside, I guess they're fake gravestones. So we're going to paint them with some glow in the dark paint. I thought it'd be a really fun art thing to do with my kids, so let's go ahead and get this started. First thing I need to do is we need to pick out what paint we're going to do. Pink. And then I need to mix them up. So, let's go ahead and do that.
Red and white. I want to use green.
That's alright.
And I might use...
You can make green.
And I might use red, Daddy.
Hold on a second. Let me get this so I don't make a mess.
And I might use red, Daddy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Daddy, make pink.
Okay, hold on, bud. I understand. I can only do one thing at a time here.
Okay. So we'll have one of every single color?
Well, you could use different colors. That's why I have the water there, so you
Green and orange.
So you can mix it, and if you are, you can, clean your brush in between.
Yeah. How about you do green and orange?
There you go.
That'll make it a new color.
Well, no, we're not going to actually mix the colors. Which color did you want? Pink?
Pink. Now what are you doing?
I'm just mixing it up to stir it up.
Oh.
But you don't want to put different colors because, you just don't want to do that. You don't want to mix paints.
Uh-oh. I thought you were talking about that mix.
My eye looks like a bone.
Cool. Very nice.
I didn't mean for it to look like a bone, though.
So I'll use my paintbrush.
Yes.
And then I'll use.
And then Daddy will stare into my eye. Because that's what my ripstones say.
Is that what it says? Stare into my eye?
Yeah.
Oh. Craziness.
Stare into my eye. Nah.
I didn't know that you passed it to me. Now, I can make the like that green, right?
Yeah. Anything you want, Ginny.
Like I'm just thinking about making stuff colorful even if they aren't in real life.
Mm-hmm. That is fine.
Like, bats aren't that colorful. They're just plain old dark, dark, dark.
Yeah.
So I like to add an extra theme to it. Like a colorful green or something. To show this Halloween like zombies. Zombies, zombies, zombies. Right, Daddy? Green's a scary color.
It is.
Halloween. When it's really bright and it's glowing. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
When it's nighttime, it's glowing. It's really scary. I'm adding a few green on it.
Good job.
So I'm sure it's going to turn out great.
Of course it will.
Now another layer, and another layer. What?
I just messed
What I
up.
heard you say, that's bad.
Oh yeah, I kind of messed up a little bit. Nothing too,
It's okay.
nothing too.
I mess up too in paint.
You do.
Yes. Sometimes I make a big mistake. It can, when it drips like I just did, my paintbrush drips over it. That can be a disaster.
All right, we finished doing just about all of them here, and next thing I will show you is what will I show you? Next thing I'll show you is when they're outside at nighttime, and hopefully they work out just fine. But I think they will. So. My plan was to show you guys how it came out by showing you them in the dark after they've been charging during the day in the sunlight. Well, we haven't had sunlight. We've had clouds and actually rain for the last few days. And I'm trying to get this video out so it didn't show up. So with that being said, it was still a fun project to do with my kids. They enjoyed it a lot, and we had a good time. I think that's all that really matters. So with that being said, catch a new video every week. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Why don't you check out the merchandise? I'm going to leave the link down in my description. And always remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.